Hello and welcome to the TenKei ATM YouTube channel. We are here again and we are on our next video, and this video is called or entitled How to Set Up a MetaTrader 4 Account Part 7. So what does that mean? There's parts 1 to 6 and now this is 7. So in order to know what's going on here, okay, check out the other videos. They're not long. I'm trying to keep them to around about 5 minutes or so. One of the videos did go to 8 minutes, and I was outraged at myself for that. But I don't want it to go on for too long because of attention spans. But anyway, so we just completed setting up this chart here, the daily chart, to which we're going to be putting the TenKei TPT on this. So this is kind of primarily for people who have the course and they want to know how to set up the charts. It's all in the course, all in PDF format, screenshots, etc. But for you who don't like to look at screenshots and you want to see it this way, yeah, we'll have it this way. Okay, have it your own way then, we could say. But anyway, look, over here, we want to now make changes to this chart here. So how do we know we're on this chart? So remember, it says here, or not says or says, but here, this chart here is highlighted. It's highlighted because this tab is sort of like in our faces, isn't it? Whereas these ones are grayed out. So in order to get to this chart here, remember, you can either click here, and now this is now highlighted, or let's go back to the daily chart, just simply click here. So wherever you see, whatever tab you see highlighted means it's the particular chart which is now in use. And normally what you'd see that the chart which is in use is slightly darker than the others. So here we go. We're going to change this chart, get rid of all these grids and all this mess, and we want to know basically, even if we zoom in now, we want to know in an instant whether the market's going up or going down. We can see it's going up here, we can see it's going down, but the colors will help us to understand far more. So right click, go to properties. From properties, you want the bar up, which is lime, it's already lime. Bar down, we want it to be red, so negative. Okay, we go to common. We want the bar chart. We don't want this, uncheck this. We don't want any of these. We want the period separators to show us one day to the next. We want that. We don't want the grid. And we click on OK, and here we are. So let's see what size we're at. No, don't like that size because it's too similar to this. I want to see more action. There we are. That's perfect. And the same thing over here. We do the same thing there. We click on properties and we go to show open highlight. We click on that, we don't want that. Click on that, we want that. No, we don't want you. Colors, bar down, red, and see how fast you can do that? And then make it a little bit larger. There you are, that's it. So as we're here, should we just do that with these charts here too? Shall we? Let's do this. Let's minimize you, and you. Remember, I'm minimizing, not closing. Don't close it, otherwise you have to do it all over again. But we can save these settings. So we want, let's open you, and you. Watch this. Tidy it all up. Go to Windows, a window, tile vertically. Okay, I don't need to fix anything here, but I don't want any of this stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, let's see, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? I'm going to right click on that red line. It's a MA, moving average. It's a 14-day moving average. I want to delete the indicator. Okay, I want to right click. I go into properties. I don't want this sort of setting. So how do we change it? Well, first of all, we focus on the bars. We go to lime, bar down to be green, oh sorry, red. We simply go over here to bar chart and we get rid of this again. We want period separators, show grid, no. And it's already a black background, so click on OK. That's looking good there. So this section here, what do we do here? We don't want this, so we right click anywhere on, let's see, let's double click or right click. I'm trying to get this. Okay, the other way to do it. There is another way to do it, but I just do it this way actually. So here, right click in there, delete that indicator. Let's just get rid of all these indicators first, all in order. So here, right click, so you've got to really pinpoint it on there. So let's see, pinpoint on there, delete indicator. These looking clean, looking good. We've got the black screens here, which is good. So once again, watch this. So whenever you want, if you want your charts to look this way or like this, you just follow these steps here. So you using bar up, line, bar down, red, easy to see the buying and selling that's going on. Go to common, bar charts already there. Don't want that. Want this, show period separators. Show grid, no. Click OK, looking good, nice and clean. Okay, this one here, right click, properties, bar down, red, common, show, no, show this, period separator, yes, show grid, no, OK. This one here, right click, properties, bar down, red, common, bar chart, no, yes, no, OK. Right click, properties, red, see that? Okay, common, there. I'm having fun doing this. Yeah, it's like a pattern, isn't it? Like a dance, a move, properties. Imagine having this as a job. This is all you do. Just do this every single day. Would you like that? Be kind of easy, wouldn't it? Yeah, it's like an assembly line. Okay, and that's it. So what's this? You're looking at what's going on. I want to just compare that line to that. So I see now. This is a good size. This is too small. Make it a little bit larger. There we are. This one here. And two. That's good. That's too small. A bit larger. You make it a bit larger. See that? So this is zoom in, zoom out. So if we were to say, for instance, for you folk who like to trade the euro, dollar, etc., you can zoom in as much as you want, or you can zoom out, well, as much as you want, as far as that actually. You can zoom out like that. And this being a minute chart, see that line here? This line here is showing this is today, and today happens to be a Tuesday, and this is Monday. If we just go to 5-minute charts, we can see Tuesday, Monday, this is the weekend, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday. We go to 15-minute chart, going backwards, but let's not go backwards, let's go forwards. So starting from here, the double, where you see the double vertical lines, this is always the weekend. So that means this is a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, weekend, Monday, Tuesday, and so forth. And down here you can see the dates anyway, the 18th, the 19th, the 20th, etc., etc. Okay, so that's that. Let's go back to the minute chart. We can see it's too small. Don't want it like that. Go up, zoom in a bit, bring it back down to its size there. Don't want these charts here, do I? Or do we? No, not for now. But we can come back to those another day, minimize those, and then we want to go back to these 3 main charts over here. Voila! That's it. Okay? Did I go too fast for you? You can always rewind it. Okay? Get versatile. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.